Anybody know where they are? I can't see shit. He's way out there. I don't know if I'm hitting him. Hey, don't ignore that right flank over there. They're moving up on that far right. Watch the tape line. You guys see anything? I have no targets. I'm right in the middle behind the right pin, the pin on the tree line. And I'm getting shots from somewhere far off. I can't spot the target. I don't know where he's at. He's pinning.
If you're still up, push really far up on you.
Is that the right side? Right side over?
I don't see anyone.
Pork chop 8, I'm just to your left. I don't see anything. He's shooting at you, but all of his BBs are bouncing right here. So you're a good 20 feet out of his range. But I can't see the shooter.
I know the shooter, but I saw him maybe 10 feet.
Oh, I got him. I got him. Got one. Got one. There's another one just to the left of him.
Is that post pin ours?
Yes, it is. Damn it, where is that coming from? Damn it. I cannot see where that's coming from.
I saw a couple way far back hiding behind the buildings and the trees, trying to shoot in between.
Yeah, I want to push this next fence in front of the pin, but they know we're here.
Yeah. Well, it's pretty good too.
Can you guys see the guy who's pinging us, where he's at? If I could find him, I'd take him out.
Well, I'm confident that you'll be able to get him in about 2 or 3 shots.
I see. Oh, I got him. I got him.
If you need a distraction, let me know.
Hang on.
Almost out of ammo, so.
Hang on, there he is. Got him.
Nice, nice.
All right. Well, here comes 2 more.
I got one out of the fence line.
Reloading. Taylor, straight in front of you. 200 feet. 200 feet. 3 tangos.
We got about 5 shots left, and I got to find a teammate to speedload to come.
What kind of mags?
Green gas.
I can't help you, yeah. 1, 2, 3. 2 are walking off. 1 just pushed up to the green hut. Green hut. Yeah, you're almost out.
Almost. Not quite. Out of ammo. Gotta go find a teammate.
Good luck.
Wish you best of luck as well.
Yeah. Pork chop 8. I think I'm going to try to push up to this next board here.
Copy.
Oh, there's too many. No, there's too many of them. I'm not going to try it. Hey, one building up from you guys. One building up.
What's the fence line?
Far right tape line, way out, 200 feet. 2 tangos. Pork Chop 8, you're 12 o'clock, 150 feet, 1 tango in all green. They're flanking us on the right side. All right, we're getting flanked on the right side tape line. It's just me and Taylor over here. Grab some guys and come over and defend. Good shot. Whoever got him, great shot. It has to be you, Taylor. Do we have a friendly up in front of us? Do you know?
I don't know about that.
Hey, how are we doing, guys? You guys good on ammo?
Yeah. Watch the right side.
Yeah, I can see they're starting to wrap
One's
that
walking
Airsoft
off.
over there.
2 of them. She's getting them with the scope.
There's only 2 of them?
She's got 2 so far. Green hut right in front of us.
Yeah, I can see that green building.
Yeah.
I'm going to keep on trying to swing right.
Okay, see the one way out here? He's just moving left to right. Taylor, 150 feet left to right, left to right. He's right in front of you at your 12.
And we do have, I believe we have the left side push pin still too. Oh yeah. We got both push pins.
Let's not get too greedy then, guys. Probably about 20 minutes left here.
Yeah, it's just time to dig in.
Exactly. It's all about defense, guys. Defense. Let's not get too aggressive.
I'm going to run to this left side and let him know.
Okay.
Cover.
I don't know what to cover. I don't see any tangos. They're pinging from distance, but they're not making any serious pushes. There goes another one. 200 feet, left to right. I lost my sniper and my scout. Hey, watch the right flank, right flank. All I see is one tango. He's 150 feet out the tape line. But they're shooting at us, so there's more out there. I just don't see them. Be careful, guys. Keep your heads down. All right, we've got a line set up at my position, left to right across the field. That's as far as we need to go. We're holding both towers. Don't push it. Just lost the right side. Watch the right flank, guys. We just lost our right guard.
Right in front of me, come on.
Gotcha. It's okay. Do what you got to do. There. Look. Straight out. Hey. Psst, psst. Heads down. Right out. Straight out. He's right behind this tree right there, right up. He's 100 feet from you at 2 o'clock. See those 4 trees? He's right behind them. He just moved to the right, to the right. That's 100 feet. I got nobody left on the right side. Okay, here comes. Pork chop 8. Right on that tape line. Right at the tape line, about 50 feet from where you're at. Make it 75. Game over. Game over. Game. Game over. Game over.